Hello, my name is Kamar Sen, and somebody asked me about teaching a technique to remember 9 times table or 8 times table. So here is the magic. For 9 times table, simply write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And simply write down the same thing backward. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And this is a 9 times table. So 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 10 is 90, etc. One more thing. If I want to ask you if that 2-digit numbers or 3-digit number or any digit number is completely divided by 9 or not, there's a very simple method. Add them together. If you add them together and the answer is 9, then that number is completely divided by 9. Example, if I say 63, then simply add them together. Answer is 9. Yes, 63 is completely divided by 9. 135. Add them together. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. So 135 is completely divided by 9. And how can you check? Use the bus stop method. 9 times 1 is 9, remainder 4, that 4 and 5 is 45, so 9 times 5 is 45. So not only any 3-digit number, any number of digits, you just add them together, and if the answer is 9, then that number is completely divided by 9. Now I'm going to teach you the 8 times table. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you repeat 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go backward in even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and that is a 8 times table. So 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 10 is 80. So hopefully this video will help you. Thank you.